Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this quote-unquote ugly green gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my gradient today, I'm going to be using Not Pressed, which will also be my base color, Born Ugly, and Headhunter. I went ahead and protected around my nails with some liquid latex, and now I'm going to go ahead and lay the colors out on the brush. I'm going to have the darkest at the tip of my nail and the lightest towards the cuticle. I did 2 layers of the gradient, and now I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of Lunar. finally, I'll be finishing it off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and although I joked about this possibly being the ugliest gradient in the world, I actually love how this turned out. Born Ugly is a great, murky, deep brown green, and I think these other two polishes complement it perfectly, and the lunar unicorn skin on top just pulls everything together. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time. And of course, if you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.